Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready? Make sure your interface and project settings match so Logic isn't fighting format conversions. First, set input gain so peaks sit below -6 dBFS. This reduces inherent noise. Once done, enable low latency mode to avoid plugin-induced hiss while tracking, and route the source into a focused track stack so you can process it independently. Next, insert a high-pass filter to cut unnecessary rumble and add a gain plugin before cleanup to visualize levels. This sets you up for precise noise removal. Now focus on surgical cleanup. Insert channel EQ and apply a high pass around 80 to 150 Hz to remove low rumble, then sweep a narrow notch to find and tame resonant frequencies. Once that's doing work, add a noise gate and use sidechain detection if you need it to ignore low-level bleed. Set threshold so transients remain intact and adjust release for natural decay. For tougher broadband hiss, use Logic's noise reduction or an ARray spectral editor. Use learn modes to capture noise prints and remove only the finish by matching levels and restoring body. Automate clip gain and smart fades to avoid abrupt samples, and use subtle parallel compression so presence returns without raising residual noise. Make sure to check the process track in the full mix, because things that sound fine soloed can become obvious in context. If you hear artifacts or pumping, reduce the amount of noise reduction, soften attack/dwell settings, or switch to spectral repair on problem transients. This troubleshooting keeps clarity while minimizing musical damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.